Really?
Mike, I'm ready to take on Lance Armstrong. You ready?
I'm ready. I'm more than ready.
Hey guys, Cody and Clance here at the Bar 7 Ranch, and look what we got. Clance has been wanting one of these electric bikes for a while, so we're gonna give this baby a try. How do we say this, Mom?
Himaway.
Himaway. This is the Zebra model. This is official unboxing.
Clancy cannot wait to open this thing.
Good thing we bought them fancy utility knives that you told us we didn't need. Alright, open her on up here.
What are you going to do with this thing first?
Did what?
I'm asking Clarence what he's going to do with it first. Everything.
You're gonna make a BMX ramp and jump it? Like Bo do?
That thing has some fat tires. I can already see it from here.
How can you see it?
I can see it through that hole.
Don't be looking over.
Y'all better hurry up. I need to see this thing. Open. Oh my gosh.
What'd you do?
I just split down the side.
Plants, the suspense is killing me. You gotta open the front.
I'm pretty sure I'll be able to ride this. Just push it down.
Oh my god.
Look at this. We got lots of assembly, it looks like. You probably need your...
Hold it up.
I got it. Julio.
What should we cut off first?
What, just start taking stuff off?
We'll start over here.
Oh, that is so cute.
You might be able to sit on the back of it while I ride it.
The only person I've seen pay less attention with the blade is you.
Comes with a key.
Because it's electric. Alright, Bub, first thing it says is put the handlebar on. So, need to loosen these off with tools and stick it on. This is the Zebra. This thing is pretty heavy duty. I mean, the welds on it look pretty good. So we're going to get the handlebars put on, and the next thing it says is to put the front wheel on. There's where the key goes. It's like a real motorcycle. Wom, bum, 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 bum.
This is really cute.
Why don't you get the instructions and tell us what that deal's for? Or what's the next step?
Handlebar installation. That's the first step.
Okay.
Put it on. Rear rack installation is next.
It looks like the rear rack's already on.
It says the rear rack comes loosely attached, but it's not been fully secured. Remove the bolts with washers located a couple inches behind the seat post. Place the rack down and adjust placement until the holes on the end are aligned, and screw the bolts back in. Make sure the washer is on top of the rack rather than underneath.
Alright.
Tighten the eyelet bolts on both sides.
Guys, it's only about 85 here in Central Texas, but it is humid, like 100, almost 100%. I mean, it looks like it's about to rain. And it's one of the few times here at our house that the wind ain't blowing. So, it's pretty miserable. We need to go turn the shop fan on. What is that?
It's catching on the back.
Alright, put them back in there. Erica's super excited because Pop is coming to help finish the chicken church, hopefully today. I'll be super excited when that thing's finished too, guys.
The new squash did not like their transparent.
It didn't?
No. They did not like transparent. Actually, I'm gonna let you grab it first because I'm scared. What about,
You scared to try it?
I've never ridden one.
What if I wheelie it right off the bat?
I guess Brett rode one when we were in Austin.
Oh, yeah. And I rode one of those scooters you sit
I've
on.
rode scooters before, I've never ridden a bike. Brett rode that smaller bike.
Did
Wasn't
it have
it?
pedals on it like this?
No,
It was like a scooter bike. It was like
yeah,
a
it was
scooter
the
that you
small
sat on.
ones. Yeah, it was those little like small ones.
So what are we gonna use this baby for?
Pen and sheep.
Instead of being on foot?
Yeah,
Yeah, for real.
why not?
Not being on foot no more.
Do we know what our top speed is on this baby?
150?
No, it is not. I don't know what the top speed is, but I don't know. What else do you think we could use it for? Then? I mean,
If I was gonna go on a leisurely bike ride, this is the kind of bike I would take because there's not much pedaling involved.
Cody.
Yeah, we ain't going on bike rides as a family because this ain't fair.
Yeah, this is the one I take. You take yours. I'll take this one. You take yours. The riding is imbalanced or the rotation of the wheel makes noise. It means bolts are not completely tightened or not aligned.
That's on the back one, right?
Sure. This is on the front. We're talking about the front right now.
It looks good to me. It don't look like
Alright.
it's going nowhere. It's in the brakes. Okay,
The headlight and the front fender
so we need to turn it back over
are
now?
both secured by a single bolt. Yep. Doesn't say to, but yes.
Okay, let's flip her back over, bub. We're gonna go this way. Ready?
2, 1. Oh, wait. Get ready. This thing's pretty heavy, huh?
Now it should stand up on its own if you turn the wheel. Turn the wheel, there you go.
Wow, you got your first hole in those jeans, bub. I guess y'all had storms, it looks like.
Huh? What?
Because I see your shape. It took y'all a while. Seemed
We
like.
fed everything while we were out there.
I
We
got
didn't
to
feed them
drive.
this weekend, honey. We have to go back next
I got to
weekend.
drive. Here, do this one. Do this one, please.
You gotta pick it right.
They even tighten it. Oh, let me, hold on. Reached.
Oh, you didn't even undo that part?
Because I figured you'd just get an extension cord, so we wouldn't have to stretch
Oh,
this.
I get
thing.
an extension cord when it reaches.
It's running.
It's charging. All right, so you're helmeted up.
We're ready to
You
ride.
ready to ride? Are you sure?
Professional biker right
You're
now.
just gonna run over everything?
Yeah, that's what these tires are made for. To
Okay,
run stuff
well,
over.
Get over there a little bit and let me get this set up some so that I'm ready because I've got my big camera out.
Dude, this thing is huge.
Are you already going?
There's 2 brakes.
I know, I'm just kind of going slow. I'm waiting.
All right, I'm ready. Hold
I
on.
just put the gas on it.
Hold on, I'm not ready. Hold on.
Either pedal and then give it gas, or
Okay, I'm ready.
You officially rode an electric bike farther than I have.
because you rolled it out of the shop, dude. So this is the trial and error stage of.
Come back towards me after you go around. Go around the shop. Yeah, go around the truck.
That's only first.
Watch where you're going. Is he still upright?
He's still upright, yeah. You think this is what it's like in the early days of Harley Davidson?
Probably.
Hope he tightened handlebars up.
That's in second.
I'm zoomed in.
That means we did a good job on the installation. It's still going. All right, I'm gonna have to give it a try now. I'm gonna have to what's that word? Requisition.
Requisition it. What's he going now?
Hope we don't run over a cat.
No joke. He's going fast out there. Guys, I'm using my big camera for this for the first time, so sorry if the footage is crazy.
All right, my turn.
That thing is fun, Dad.
Better pull your pants up, boy.
They only hit like 20 in it.
So you only had it in 4th gear?
That's just. No, I went to 5th, but I didn't gas it all the way because I wasn't in the good spot when I did it.
Do you pedal it?
Go up one.
What do you mean go up one?
Oh my. You gotta press the plus and minus.
Oh, it's like a cruise control.
I already told you that.
Does he know what he's doing? He doesn't have his helmet on.
He doesn't know anything.
Go
about
tell him to get his helmet
Hey, look
on.
at this, Mom. Is it off?
Is he still upright? I heard some noise.
Look over here. It's gonna come around the house. Oh, look at him. That thing is full. What is he trying to do?
I don't know, Di.
Oh, it has brake lights too.
You don't have your helmet on. You don't have your helmet on.
I got my,
Let me ride.
this is a cowboy hard hat.
Just use the handle.
Introducing Meemaw to an electric bike. All right.
All right, guys, so we got her put together, and first impressions,
I love it.
Clarence loves it. It's pretty fun. I mean, I won't lie. I might actually jump on it from time to time if Clarence actually leaves it around the house any. So
They haven't let me ride it yet, so.
assembly was very easy. Once we got everything out and got it looked at, it's good.
Y'all, I just caught Cody riding off on the electric bike. He looks like he went to go check cows on it. I don't know. So I'm gonna try to catch him when he comes back up here. I think I'm gonna ride it after this. I haven't done it yet. You can see him way out there. Really?
Mike, I'm ready to take on Lance Armstrong now.
Why are you pedaling?
Because if you pedal, then you don't have to give it gas. It assists you.
Oh, I think I'm gonna do it.
You're gonna give it a try?
Yeah. You know?
Obviously, we're not on the same page because I'm getting grabbed at. I was trying to show her, but since y'all don't see me showing her. Okay, so right here on this plus or minus, you can give it the juice there where it says 3 or 0. So I'd set it on about 4 for you since you're a bit newbie.
Okay, that's slow.
Well, you'll be able
So
to tell.
this is what I hit? I just hold.
That, no,
Okay,
it's
I
set
don't
now.
understand.
Just get on it and start pedaling. It'll take off for you.
How do you stop?
When you quit pedaling, then the battery dies. It quits giving it assistance, or you squeeze the brakes.
So
Just
you
get on
can't
it and
just
go.
get on it without pedaling.
Huh?
How do you get on it without pedaling?
Take off without pedaling?
Yeah, that's
You
what.
twist this deal.
Okay, that's what I was asking.
But you don't need to do that.
I don't.
No, just get on it and pedal like it's ready. All right, this is Erica's first attempt at the
Okay, so
bike.
it's not gonna go without. It's not gonna just go. I just need to pedal and it helps me. Is
Exactly.
what is the mode you have it on?
Yes,
You promise.
I promise. It's not like a dirt bike. I mean, just start pedaling. When you start pedaling, it's going to help you. Put your foot on it and go.
I'm scared. Cody!
I think that's faster than she.
Cody! This is too fast! This is too
All you got to do is
fast!
push the minus button and it'll slow down or stop pedaling. Really, this thing's pretty cool. I rode like a half a mile and back in nothing flat, and it's pretty fun. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty fun, and it's comfortable with them big fat tires.
I
on
think
it.
you tricked me. I think you tricked me. This is too fast.
Then hit the minus button. You better watch where you're going.
How do I stop?
You use your brakes and quit pedaling.
That was so fun.
What speed did you have it on?
I put it up to 3 one time. Oh, I didn't look at the speed. Like right here?
Well, number 3 is as fast as you did it.
Yeah.
If you hit the plus button, how high does it go? Like you're on 2 right now. Right here on this 2.
Oh. 5. I went all the way to 3.
Evil Knievel.
What is this
right here.
thing?
I think that's your, like your,
7 speed. So on what speed?
Speed.
Oh, okay. I got you. So it's okay. That was pretty fun.
all right, we got to go feed some cows before we get
Okay.
them done today.
You want to go feed them on this?
I don't believe
We should pin
it's a little
cows.
It's a little further than an 80-mile round trip. So I
We
don't
should
know that
pin
get
cows
them
on
back.
it.
Yeah, I mean, we can try that.
Okay, well, in a couple days, we're going to come back and I'm going to try this without pedaling. Just by doing the.
Yeah, so you can run it like a motorcycle.
Don't do
If
it.
you twist this,
Don't do
boom, boom, it'll go, see? So you don't have to pedal it, but
In a couple of days, we'll do that and try it. Bud
Hey.
does it. Doesn't he?
yeah.
Okay, sorry.
As you pedal, the reason I'm delaying there, guys, is because if we both talk at the same time, then y'all can't hear either one of us. So as you pedal, though,
Is
it
that why you're
assists
mad?
you, so it makes it way easier to ride. So
He's mad because
Pretty
we're
cool.
on his back.
you being a crybaby butt.
Guys, thank y'all for watching this video. It was super fun to unbox and
Get the bike
I don't know
going.
if it was fun for y'all to build. Did y'all have fun building it?
Yeah, it was a super simple, little easy setup. I mean, it
They're
wasn't
not
bad.
good at talking while they build.
Right, we just,
So that was
Work,
probably
so-
a boring part of this video.
but it was, I think anybody could assemble it, and anybody can for sure ride it if you can balance on a bicycle.
It's just like riding a bike.
It's like skipping. Let's see if Erica can remember how to skip. This is a trend going through social media right now. All right, Erica, show us how you can skip. Okay,
Now I want to see if you can
so
skip.
just like riding a bike.
Can you skip? Hold on.
Can-
He
can I
caught
skip?
air. Cody can skip.
I can also do a bunny hop on that bicycle
No,
and a
you
donkey
can't.
kick.
You broke my bike doing that
Well.
12 years ago.
It was poor craftsmanship on that Huffy, I guess. I
All
don't know.
right, y'all keep ranching.
Y'all keep ranching. See you later.
Look how pretty these girls look.
Look at that, Dad.
That's awesome, man. You're the next Evil Knievel.
And then we got old Sheeps. She's limping around today.
She been fighting bears. I don't know about bears, but something.
Something.